Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? Bee plus hat plus man. Batman. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car. As we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene. Hi, everyone, and good morning, players. On my right, ladies and gentlemen, the lovely blonde lady is Melissa Ogle, and we're delighted to have her back with us on the program. Melissa's engaged to be married. Going to be married very soon. How long were you two engaged?
A year.
A year?
A little bit less
That's
than a
good.
year.
You've known each other for a lot longer, I bet.
4 years.
4 years. Good. Then that should help make the marriage work. Your opponent, same fellow you faced on yesterday's program. He is single also, has a girlfriend, though. His name is Rock Hadley. Welcome back, Rock. You feel I'm putting a little pressure on you when I say it that way? You're single, you've got a girlfriend, and she's engaged, and you're not?
Well,
yeah. Okay, man of few words. Well, let's get to work in game number 1 today. Take a look over here, and we will show you some lovely jewelry.
Part of the Nancy Diamond Jewelry Design Collection, this elegant necklace crafted in 14-karat gold, sparkles with 24 diamonds, furnished by the Nancy Diamond Company. Alex.
Thank you. The necklace on the board behind this number, 25. Also a vacation on the island of St. Kitts. Melissa, you lost out on a possible honeymoon yesterday. That was the Virginia Mountain Lake Resort, but St. Kitts sounds pretty good.
That'd be great.
You get to go first.
That'd be wonderful. Okay, well, let's look for a match for number 6.
Green take.
Well, let's try that under 14.
Performance tires. These tires come to your home and they do a whole number. Rock?
oh, let's get some travel time in. Number 21.
Performance tires.
Number 14 for the match?
Right, just like that. Tires will help you out. Open it up for him. Pick again.
How about a wild card at number 5?
Lawn furniture.
Okay, match for that under number 2.
Chef's barbecue tools. Melissa?
Okay, let's try number 17.
Gourmet pasta and sauces.
How about number 7?
Lawn furniture, no match for you, but a possible match for Rock.
I think we saw the lawn furniture under number 5.
Right?
And a match for that under number 7.
Number 7, that pays off again. 2 prizes going up in his column. Open it. Keep in mind, folks, that Rock won the game yesterday and handed Melissa 1X, and that means that if she doesn't win this game, it's bye-bye Melissa. Rock.
Okay, looking for a wild card. Number 11.
Diamond necklace.
Ooh. Okay, natural match at 24.
Oh. Melissa, did he luck out on that one?
Oh, yes.
When he said 24, you thought he made a mistake. I'm going to get a shot at the necklace. Am I right?
Yes, that's what I thought.
Because you remember that we had shown it to you right next door at number 25. That's where the natural had occurred. But he got the wild card, he gets the prize, and he gets a look at the puzzle with 3 more panels swinging open. Select again.
Still looking for that trip. Number 8.
Gas barbecue.
Saw that. Was it at number 13?
Green take, no match. Melissa?
Let's try number 20.
Gas barbecue.
And number 8, please.
Number 8 makes it a match, and there you go. There you go. Here's a chance. Let's see what happens when these doors swing open. Go again.
How about number 23?
Wild card for you. Now.
Did we see that trip? I don't think we've seen that trip. How about number 1?
Pick a lucky number. Word processor is what we have at number 1. The other word processor is lower down at number 19. So 3 panels coming open for Melissa. Pick again. Oh, now you suddenly figured it out?
Yeah, I think I know it.
Then all you have to do is make one match. Just one itty-bitty little match. Come on.
I'm blank. Let's try 16.
Island of St. Kitts.
How about number 10?
Ping pong table. What a terrible combination that is. Ping pong table and the island of St. Kitts. Rock.
Have we seen number 12?
Ping pong table.
And the match for that, number 10.
Right. That's a good combination when they match. Open it up for him. Select again, Rock.
Okay, still looking for the trip. Number 3.
Red take.
Match for that, number 18.
Island of St. Kitts. Melissa is getting a second life.
Okay, you guys aren't gonna believe this, but I'm not sure, but I think it's 16.
Yeah, that's where it is.
And number 18 for the match.
That's where it is
and
also.
I think I know the puzzle.
Wait till we open the doors.
Okay.
And then solve the puzzle, Melissa. Let's do it for her.
Alex, is it nothing but the truth?
Nothing but the truth. So help me God. You are right, and you are going to be one happy lady. Come on. Here we go. All right, you explain it.
Never been the weatherman, but we have na plus th plus ink, nothing but, this guy's budding, it's a but, the, and this is a true, a T for, this is a T for truth, true, and plus th, truth. Nothing but the truth.
But the truth. Well done. Rock, one strike only, and that means the second game today is going to be very important for both of you. We'll see you in that one right now. Melissa wants to hear about her prizes and that fabulous vacation. Gene.
A gas barbecue, a service merchandise gift certificate with which you may select a gas barbecue or other top name brands from our catalog or redeem at any one of our many stores furnished by Service Merchandise. And a word processor. Smith Corona's easy to use all-in-one PWP 2100 portable word processor. Comes with an 8-line by 80 character display and features a built-in disk drive for unlimited storage and the island of St. Kitts. We'll fly you and a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to San Juan. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding and while in flight. Experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you may enjoy a 6-night vacation on the enchanting and unspoiled Caribbean island of St. Kitts. The Ocean Terrace Inn offers personal attention and the friendly atmosphere amidst tropical garden terraces with a commanding view of the Caribbean. And Melissa, what I'm about to tell you is also the truth. You have a prize package totaling $3,951.
Big win for your first time, Melissa. And when we come back, you get a shot at a brand new car, too. After this, Melissa's smiling, and she has every reason to smile. She won big in that game. She has a possible honeymoon vacation on the island of St. Kitts. And now she has a chance at one of these fabulous new automobiles. Let's go to work. 15 numbered squares going up on the monitor and 35 seconds going up on the clock. Melissa, good luck. Off you go.
Okay, 1, 3.
No.
4, 6.
No.
7, 9.
No.
4, 7. 6,
No.
7.
Yes.
10, 12.
No.
13, 15.
No.
10, 9.
No.
12, 4.
No.
2, 5.
No.
14, 5.
No.
15, 5.
No.
11, 14.
11, 14 doesn't work.
9, 14.
Yes.
How about 10, 13?
How about 10, 13? 13 minutes after 10. Didn't work for you, but that's okay. $3,951 in winnings. And you get to play in that second all-important game, the one that's going to be the tiebreaker between you and Rock. We'll start that one, ladies and gentlemen. Stay with us right after this. Well, I'm delighted to report that each of our players has won a game. They've won some prizes. And so whoever loses in this game will not go away empty-handed. And we have some fabulous prizes available in the second game today. Take a look at this.
The Limoges, with the everlasting elegance of porcelain accents welded with the beauty of brass. A queen-size bed treated with a baked-on epoxy protective coating furnished by Swan Brass Beds. Alex.
Thank you, Marjorie. Marjorie's so sweet, always throwing those cushions at me. She's cute, though. Rock and Melissa, take a look at the board, and we'll show you where you find the brass bed at number 22. Just one wild card in this game. However, 5 bonus car seconds, $500 in the cash pot, and a California beach resort vacation. And Rock, you get to pick first.
Okay, let's look for that wild card at number 9.
Evening party dresses.
Okay, match for that at number 11.
No, a California beach vacation. Melissa?
How about number 20, please?
Microwave.
How about number 3?
Gold pencil and pen set. No match there. Those California dresses, by the way, Rock, are direct from Gene Wood's closet.
Gotta have them then. Gotta have them.
Gotta have them.
All right.
Valuable stuff.
Still looking for that wild at number 24.
Evening party dresses. There they are.
Match for that at number 9.
Number 9. Yes. Gene was so sweet to part with all of those lovely dresses. They haven't been worn. They're brand new. Open it up, please. Gene just likes looking at them. Rock?
Number 1.
Videotape library.
Match for that at number 25.
Maybe. And not only maybe, but yes. Diagonally opposite. And we'll open these 2 doors for Rock. Pick again.
Let's go for number 7.
Cash pot.
And a wild card at 22.
No, the brass bed is at 22. Melissa.
Let's look for that wild card under number 19.
Green tape.
Oh, how about go for that under 12?
Red tape. Rock.
Right in the center, number 13.
California beach vacation.
And a match for that at number 11.
11. Yes. There's the match. Let's show him. All right, Rock, pick again.
Okay, number 8.
Diamond and emerald ring.
Match for that at number 15.
No match. 5 bonus car seconds.
I
Melissa?
don't remember. I'm going to go for a wild card at 4.
No, diamond and emerald ring.
We saw that. Let's try 16.
5 bonus car seconds. Rock.
Okay, number 4.
Diamond and emerald ring.
Match at number 7.
You thought you were going to pick up the diamond and emerald thing and then go for the bonus car seconds. Didn't work.
What's number 3?
What's number 3? We'll show you. That's the gold pencil and pen set.
7?
No, that's
he
the
just showed
cash
us
pot. Rock, here's a second chance for you.
Okay.
You live again.
Number 12.
Red tape.
Ooh.
Well, maybe
And-
not for long.
Number 8.
No, the diamond and emerald ring.
Okay, how about number 4?
Diamond and
number
emerald ring.
8.
4 and 8 is the match. There we go. Not 4 and 7, not 3 and 8, not 3 and 7. 4 and 8. Open it. Pick again.
How about 17? And 3.
Gold pencil and pen set and 3. There's the match.
Okay.
Open it up for Melissa. Pick again.
How about 21?
Satin bedding.
Oh, how about wild card with something that under 5? Oh.
Green tape. Rock.
Okay, number 16.
5 bonus cards.
And the match under number 10.
Oh,
No.
I want
Melissa?
that brass bed, so how about number 22
Right.
and number 10?
There's a match. You guys are doing what you did in the first game today, and that is going back and forth in terms of putting prizes up in the columns behind us. Let's see what happens now as we open these 2 doors for Melissa. Go again.
How about number 19 and
Green take.
number 18?
Wild card.
That was
And so Melissa is going to get the green tape. The other one on the top at number 5. Here it is. Designer dresses, direct from Gene Wood's store. California Beach Resort Vacation.
I got to take that beach resort vacation just because it's getting close.
Just because it's getting close. Well, that's as good a reason as any. Study the puzzle now, Melissa, as these doors open. Pick again.
How about number 21?
Satin bedding.
Oh, we saw that. How about 12?
No, red tape. Rock.
Number 15.
5 bonus car seconds.
Number 16 for the match.
At last, a match that you were hoping to make about 5 moves ago. Let's see what happens. Pick again.
Okay, number 7.
Cash pot.
How about number 20?
Microwave. Melissa.
Okay, how about number 14
Cash pot.
and number 12?
Ooh, rock.
Was that at number 7?
Yeah.
Okay, and the match is number 14.
Cash pot. Let's see what happens. 2 panels swinging open. Pick again.
Number 2
Melissa's trying to psych him out, I think.
and number 21.
Satin bedding, yes. Melissa can solve it, but she isn't going to get a chance unless Rock makes a mistake. Open these panels for him.
Is it the final frontier?
Is it the final frontier? Yes. Rock's burying his head. I don't know why. He won the game in the match. Come on.
Oh, God.
Good victory.
Okay, I had some trouble up here, but it's the, fine, plus all, the final, F plus the runt, and tier. The final frontier.
Final frontier. Did you get the run to the litter early on?
No.
No, you didn't.
No.
Well, you got it when you had to, and that was under pressure because, as you know, Melissa was able to come up with a solution to that. But, Melissa, you've got a potential honeymoon vacation on the island of St. Kitts and other prizes totaling just a shade under $4,000. Nice having you here. Take care, Melissa. Goodbye.
It's been fun. Bye, Rock.
All right, Rock. Let's hear about the new stuff. Gene.
A cash pot worth $500 and evening party dresses. Hollywood Nights special occasion dresses that are reminiscent of Hollywood's glamour girls. Sensual sequins, slinky satins, sensational dresses that make you look and feel sensational. Hollywood Nights, furnished by Rome Corporation. And satin bedding. Whisper Soft Mills, luxurious super satin bedding, woven of 270 thread count, designed for comfort and elegance, furnished by Whisper Soft Mills. And the videotape library, MPI's home video, The Honeymooners Lost Episodes, specially restored after discovery in Gleason's personal vaults, a cultural treasure furnished by MPI Home Video, and the 5 bonus car seconds.
All right, thank you, Gene. And I want to apologize to Gene Woods, ladies and gentlemen. I said a little while ago, Rock, that those were his party dresses. I lied.
What?
In actual fact, they are mine. We're going to take a break. When we come back, Rock gets to play for a brand new car. All right, Rock, you ready for this?
Yes.
Good. 15 numbered squares, clock showing 40 seconds, but you got 5 bonus seconds in the last game, so you're going to be working with 3/4 of a minute. Good luck. Go to work.
1, 2,
No.
3, 4,
No again.
5, 6,
No.
7, 8,
No.
9, 10,
No.
1, 10,
No.
2, 10,
Yes.
11, 12,
No.
1, 11,
Right.
13, 14,
No.
14, 8,
No.
14, 9,
Yes.
15, 7,
No.
15, 4,
No.
15, 5,
No.
6, 15,
No.
6, 13,
No.
5, 13,
Yep.
4, 3,
No.
3, 15,
Right.
712.
You lost a lot of time by going backwards. You were starting at the bottom with that Wrangler and trying to match it with 2 or 3 numbers, and when it didn't work out, that cost you about a half dozen seconds. $38.99. That's what you've won in prizes, and we're going to take a break. Team.
Some of today's participants may receive Singer's 5-in-1 Coffee Tea Maker. Grinds beans, then brews coffee. Brews tea. Makes fresh iced coffee and tea, too. Furnished by Singer. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment. This is Gene Woods speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.